So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a GST to your invoice in Invoice2Go. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Invoice2Go app. On there you can see at the bottom home, clients, invoices, estimates and more. You can see in the top right your profile. You can also see some of the options on here. So you can see some of the stuff right there. So I'm just going to show you on a test how to include GST to your invoice. So this is connected with taxes. So let's go to your invoices and you can open up some of the invoices you have. This is just a test and we're gonna edit it in the top right corner. So from here, you can see your client's name. You can see the items that it has. You can add items. You can see the subtotal, the same day and stuff like that. So you can see stuff on there. And from there, you can just find the tax related stuff that you can add. But if it's a tax or rather something that your clients should pay and you want to name it as such, so you can add items on here. So it says your product service, you can add an item. So from here you can see rate, quantity, more options. So you can choose a tax. So you on here you can see PDV. So right now within the jurisdiction that this account is linked to, that actually means that those goods and services tax, which is quite very much related to value added tax, which is what this PDV is. So you can add that and you can see the PDV that you want to add 20, 10, 0 or none, so that the client can get a better understanding that you've even going to bill them for the tax. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Invoice2Go or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.